Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. What?
Sana all.
How?
Good morning mga idol, kamusta? So for today's video mga idol, tara panoorin at magbigay tayo ng reaction dito sa isang video courtesy by Jammer Janril Vlogs. Kumanta po ng Stuck on You, napadaan lang sa mall. So let's go mga idol, panoorin natin. Ayan. Napadaan lang sa mall si Kuya. At nag-viral na ito ng 1 million mga idol.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way.
Wow, galing.
Needed a friend, and the way I feel now I just have you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way.
Banal.
Mighty glad to stay.
Galing ng tao ito.
Stuck on you. Been a fool so long, I guess it's time for me to come home. Yes, I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you would wait around for a man like me. Yes, I'm on my way.
Hinalingan talaga.
Mighty glad to stay.
Talagang ginalingan ni Kuya Jammer Janril Vlogs. Don't forget to follow ang kanyang Facebook.
Oh, leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. Back to my troubles and night rolling on away.
Ganda ng boses.
Cause this time little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Need a friend, and the way I feel now I just can't be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay.
Boses na nakaka-inlove mga idol. Ito si Jammer Janril Vlogs talaga. Grabe. Pinasimplihan lang ni Kuya ang ating viral for today mga idol na talaga namang napakagandang boses. Kalma at powerful voice talaga itong si Kuya. Grabe. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy mga idol pagdating po sa kantahan talaga malupit talaga. So kayo dyan mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa kanyang performance, sa kanyang rendition? Talaga ba masasabi nyo na na-appreciate ba kayo? Nagustuhan nyo ba? Please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan. Maraming salamat. At don't forget, pakipalo po ang kanyang Facebook page mga idol. Jammer Janril Vlogs mga idol. So ilagay ko na lang po sa description ang link mga idol. Salamat mga idol.